Today, breaking news. A huge marketing campaign have been launched for crypto. Okay, you don't know who that is? Everyone is talking about, everyone, and all eyes in mass media are now directed to the biggest ever marketing campaign of 2023. So let's go. Hello everyone. Welcome, and remember, everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. Sometimes it can feel that it's kind of something here, but no, I'm just only showing you what charts are showing, and that's it, okay? And that's it. But let's just keep going. So remember, I am saying only my opinion. Let's go. Today, very quick, Bitcoin, okay? Look, Bitcoin is below 200 moving weekly average, okay? And at the moment we are between lower high or higher low, okay? So in this triangle, if we will fall below 27,000, I think we can go and do this correction pattern here. However, at the moment we are going sideways, pretty much sideways here. That's this triangle, okay? And if we're going sideways, this big triangle could be a wave 4, from which one we could go into wave number 5. So we will break these liquidations. At the moment, as you can see, we still have a combination of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And now, if this is higher low, we can go up here and then see if we can break that thing, okay? I think we will still wait till Thursday, like I was showing you before, these reports from Goldman Sachs, and they are still waiting, the machines are still waiting. So that's that's one thing. Another thing is DXY. Look, if we could take a look at the DXY now, let's just go to the daily, we can see that DXY is breaking our swing failure pattern level, which is bullish for us because it's a fake out. So DXY will go down. If we're going to take a look at weekly level, look, we can see that this pattern looks like evening star pattern. So if we have a green candle here, kind of dodgy candle here, and the red candle here, the evening star pattern is the reversal trend pattern, okay? So reverse trend. Look, we have a level here which is showing us that the theory behind the trend reversal is okay. We have a swing failure pattern, so last high price couldn't fulfill, couldn't hold on, and it's doing a fake out, also good. So DXY could go down. Then if we're going to go to ES1, so futures of S&P 500, we can see that the S&P is going higher. And you remember what I was telling yesterday, that Black Swan event could be postponed, because if we're going to take a look at yearly yield from 2 years bonds, treasury bonds from US, we could see that these bonds, they were falling first, and then federal funding rate was going down after them. And in the last episode, I have explained the mechanics behind federal funding rate and the bonds, okay? And on these examples here, since year 2000, we could see that they play all the same way. So at the moment, we are waiting till these yields from 2 yearly bonds will fall, will create lower low, and then Fed will start helping the market, and then market after rally, that's important, after rally will go down. So if we can take a look, I'm only in the 2 coins. I'm in Flux at the moment, which gonna have a few events here, and DSLA, which also gonna have a few events here as well. Other coins are like a DAYDX. Maybe it's looking good, but visually I would like to see fall to kind of $1.5. CKB also is looking good, but I don't actually know that coin too much. Setup is looking nice. It is like in a channel where at the bottom of the channel we are buying for long. Yeah, so someone could buy here with a stop loss a little bit lower, and just, you know, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So that's it. No, not any situations happening on Genso Kinshi MV, although they are preparing these NFTs for Square Enix. So, but I think that could be their bottom. If we can take a look at Illuvium, look, Illuvium had a nice volume in here and sell-off, yeah, but it's consolidating at this level. If we're gonna take a look at Illuvium on Morales Money, I'm just gonna collect this. Look, Illuvium is at the 4 days volume at the 8th place. Yeah, so it has nearly 500,000 volume since 4 days. Well, that's big. Like if we compare to other coins, look, Render is far away. Like other coins are far away. Yeah, since 4 days, and Illuvium is at the level at the eighth position. Like 5th position is 900,000. And then 4th position, Rocket Pool, is like, you know, 1.4 million. So like it is a quite good position. So I would look for Illuvium at the moment, because it could go to this range here, $50. Rune, like I said, watch out for Rune. It could go here to the B wave and then correction. And if we can take a look at the XRP, if XRP will not going to hold on this green line, watch out, because XRP could go, look, this is A, this is B, this is C here, to 42 cents, okay, watch out. A good looking is Atom. Watch out, Atom now looks like it may be doing, okay, if Atom will not going to fall below $6.58, then it could still go up, okay? But if it's gonna fall down, I would expect Atom to be 6.2 or even lower, okay? Coin which is very similar to Atom is Zilliqa. One second, Zilliqa. I had the Zilliqa somewhere. Yes, there it is. Okay, and Zilliqa, if we're gonna go here, look, Zilliqa fall nicely, look, nicely. And at the moment, it's still going sideways, kind of sideways pattern. So if it's gonna break this golden pocket level here, Fibonacci, we could see Zilliqa for 1.5. But it is a kind of worth to, let's say, try this pattern. If we are going away from this correction, it could be A, B, C, okay? But if we are going into WXY pattern, we could be having, okay, A, B, and then C, that could be Y. Yes, so that could be a W, X, Y. This X is a little bit too small. That's what the X is, but then everything here will be the W. So more or less, the two scenarios are showing that the small up run up could be possible for Zilliqa. Okay, let's go to some info. Let's go to some info. So first of all, at the drop tabs, let's take a look at here. We have Fear and Greed Index neutral. So entire market is waiting. Bitcoin dominance at 50%. Oh, let's just see one more thing. Let's just see Bitcoin dominance, because if Bitcoin dominance will start to breaking lower, it's actually high. Look, it's the 200 weekly moving average. It's actually holding the Bitcoin dominance. So we could have this B pattern here, okay, this B wave, and then we could start beginning of coming back. Look, this 200 moving weekly average hold on the Bitcoin here, and now Bitcoin dominance here, and now we could have this thing here. So if the Bitcoin dominance is growing, okay, then the biggest marketing campaign is actually causing that the Bitcoin is going up, plus the prophecy, reverse prophecy, I'm going to show you which person is showing that Bitcoin could go up. Well, this triangle that I showed you before could actually break to the upside because it's not going down. So at this level, it is worth to maybe, try, at least write down on the paper what you would do. Going up, for example, crypto bubbles, nothing is moving, just a few coins. Request network I see is pumping now. But it is nice pump, but request network is at the very, very bottom. Yeah, maybe there's some partnership there. I have to check this later on. Fidelity, look, Fidelity labels Bitcoin most secure and decentralized crypto. So Fidelity asset manager of 4.5 trillion saying that the Bitcoin is the most secure, decentralized, sound digital money. Remember, sound digital money compared to any other digital asset. Digital asset like maybe digital cash, okay? So that could be something. Look at this project, Perps. Perps is a project when you can trade in the derivative base, long and short, profiles, Twitter profiles, so X profiles. Look, this platform looks like this. It is working. You can trade using leverage up to 10 times. You can long, you can short. I don't know these profiles, but probably we could have some sort of, I don't know, events maybe of profiles of some famous people, maybe not famous people, but some lovely, let's say, Telegram profiles. That's something which is just beyond any trader's kind of ideas, like, Watch out for DUNG, Scarab tools, okay? Our platform is starting to experience a surge in users and trading volumes as people start to take notice of our $50,000 trading competition. It was here actually described. Okay, I was showing this before. So it is going in the movement. So they have this platform up and running. Look about the price. This is DUNG. Look, this is DUNG. Like it's 500,000 market cap. It is nothing. It is nothing. DUNG is nothing. So DUNG is part of my portfolio. And I think that with this platform, DUNG could 5x to $5 million. Yeah. And if the money will come back to crypto, it could easily get 50 millions, which is 100x from this point. Like for me, for portfolio, when I see the project who is working, the team is communicating, and there is a working product, okay, I am able to risk that money. Okay, I'm able to risk that money. So that's DUNG. Watch out, that's DUNG. The platform is working. Dark Forest is another one, which is a very, very, very low cap coin. Very low cap coin. It's like it's darkest here. Look, it is nothing. It is 300,000. 300,000. So remember that the 3 millions is 10x's and 30 millions is 100x's. 100x's. Like if you're gonna look at these projects, okay, they are nowhere. Look, we can look at, for example, let's say Matic, okay. Let's say Solana. Okay, I'm showing Solana because many people miss Solana. Okay, so Solana was here. This is Solana. This is Solana. Maybe we can even reverse that. We can see here. Look, this is Solana. Would you buy Solana then for 60 cents? Oh, why? Exactly. Why? So watch out. This is democratizing mempool is your path. So look, we could, like, it can be used, this new feature could be used to tipping validators. What that mean? That means that, for example, other services could be that, let's say you have a hacker who hack your wallet, but you have purchased some feature in the local mempool validator and your wallet is connected through that validator. Imagine yourself that someone wants to hack your wallet, but you have a smart contract with this validator, and validator monitors your transaction, and he can see that this is unusual transaction, that you sell everything, yeah? So he could block your wallet in this validation, yeah? And then that could save your money. This is something that could save many things. Plus, these features will be used for any trading bot, wallet bot. Like the wallet bots are, I think it's going to be a black mamba of this bull run 2024. Like I'm going to show you the biggest marketing campaign of 2023, and you will see what I'm talking about. And then we're going to come back to this, okay? Look, breaking news. Israel freezes crypto accounts seeking Hamas donations. You remember truckers in Canada, yeah? The people were supporting truckers who were fighting for Canadians, for freedom, for this, that government was acting like a Nazi, whatever institution, right? And then they blocked people's bank accounts because the government didn't like it, okay? I don't know how you are in this, okay? I'm not going into this agenda, okay? Because it's easy to call somebody this, okay? I don't know. The history shows a slightly different point of view, okay? But like, if you can be blocked, well, who decides whether your money is good or bad, okay? PayPal refuses to service Palestinians. Is Bitcoin the solution? Another one. If I am, let's say I am living in Europe, but I had a friend who let's say I have donated, or I'm sending him money, or I bought something from, let's say I bought something from the Palestinian whatever person. And at the moment I could be judged as someone who is supporting Palestinians, okay? You know, doing business with them. So the PayPal could freeze my bank account. Well, is that fair? Is that fair? Why central bank digital currencies can't compete with Bitcoin? Because the Bitcoin has the ability to move swiftly, innovate continuously, and operate on a global scale, exactly to prevent these things, okay, these things. Israel and Binance joined forces, to freeze crypto accounts linked to Hamas, okay? Again, what will happen if this will go to any Palestinian account, like it happened in any Russian account in the Ukraine war? Like, where we are going with this? Tomorrow it could be you, because let's say you don't like to maybe drive a diesel car and we have to ban your account. Or maybe you don't like, you shouldn't exercise at this gym because your carbon emissions are very high. We're gonna block your account, freeze your account. You know, that's why this is the biggest Bitcoin campaign ever, I think, in 2023, because this is what the Bitcoin was made for. This is what the crypto was made for. If you're working to get your money, not currency that somebody can control, only your money that you can take it with you. You can move away from one country to another and nobody can stop you at the borders. That's it. Soon, probably you can directly spend that money if the shops will be accepting cryptos and so on. But that's the way it is. So watch out. And another marketing guy, Jim Cramer, you know Jim Cramer? Although there's no picture. Jim Cramer, he's always right, but on the other side, yeah? So Jim Cramer thinks Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down big, which market understands Mr. Bitcoin is about to go up big, because he is always wrong. Someone did the indicator, it's like over 95% wrong accuracy. So if you put against this what he said, you would be profitable. But if you use his words, you will always lose. So that's it. A little bit more news, but remember, pump, and we have the biggest campaign ever. The biggest use case Bitcoin was made for. So stay tuned. Remember about the DUNG and see how your portfolio is performing. Bye.